never fails. Never fails. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys a soft glam makeup look. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So normally I would start with foundation, but today I decided that I didn't want to use foundation, so I am just applying some concealer under my eyes. This is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Chestnut, paired with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut as well. So I'm just covering up any dark spots that I have. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend out all of this concealer with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, I think. I'm not really sure what the name of it is, but I'm just using this to blend out the concealer. I know y'all are probably thinking, girl, you look crazy, but watch this, okay? So all it takes is a little bit of good blending skills and you're fine, okay? I just used the butt end of the sponge and voila. Then I had to go back in with a little bit more concealer because this little spot was trying to play me and I didn't appreciate that. So yeah, I just had to conceal that up a little bit more. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure everything is blended out. And then we're moving on to the next step, which is setting the face. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty setting powder. And I think this is the shade Honey. And I'm just trying to get the little nosy snatched and get the little under eyes set. Alright, so I'm just dusting away the excess powder with this fluffy Real Techniques brush, and then I'm going to set my smile lines with the same setting powder. And then I'm contouring my nose with this Real Techniques brush. I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. And I'm just using the contour shade to contour my nose, and I'm going to set the rest of my face with the L'Oreal True Match setting powder or face powder, and this is in the shade, I think, Cocoa, C8 Cocoa. Okay, so the palette that I'm going to use for this soft glam look is going to be the Whatever palette by ColourPop. I think I talked about this briefly like once before. So yeah, this is the palette that I'm going to use. So the color that I'm going to use is this one right here, and this is the shade in Bold. Yeah, so all of ColourPop's palettes are really affordable. So you know, we all love a good affordable palette, right? So I'm gonna kind of try and focus this color mainly like on the outer part of my eye. Yeah, we're gonna just put this like in the crease and on the outer portion of the eye. I'm just going to take the end of this Anastasia brush and just kind of blend it so that it's not so harsh. And then with this same Anastasia brush, I'm gonna go and take the shade right here, which is Copycat, and we're just gonna pack that onto the lid like so. But do y'all see how pigmented these shadows are? I don't have on any eyeshadow base or anything. Don't sleep on ColourPop because their palettes are fire.
Oh man, the building is on fire.
And then I just kind of keep going in between and adding more on the lid if I need it, and then blending it all together. I kind of like this brush because it kind of is like a perfect little duo. And then in this same palette, I'm going to use this shade Ditching You. And I'm going to put this into the inner tear duct area. I'm not going to go too crazy with the inner tear duct. So yeah, there's that. Then we move on to lashes. Well, I'm not putting on lashes. I'm going to put on some mascara. And I feel like that just brings the eyes out. The difference, like my eye with mascara and without mascara. All right, so the mascara on the top is done, so I'm going to apply some eyeliner. So I'm just bronzing the face with the same Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm just using the contour shade to bronze up the face a little bit, just to bring a little bit of color back into the face. And then to highlight the face, I'm using the Anglola, I guess like highlight powder from the crayon case, and I'm just highlighting the highest points of my cheeks. And you really want to use like a light hand when using this because it is very, very, very shimmery. So you want to use a light hand when using this. And then I'm just applying some bottom mascara. It never fails. Never fails.
This shit is hard.
I have to do my faux moles. Will this even be a makeup look without the faux mole? Well, for me, because I don't know, it's kind of my thing now. Alright, for the lips, I'm going to take this dark brown lip liner from NYX and line my lips. So, I have a few lip options to choose from. And honestly, I kind of like just pile them all on. So this one is Clean Kisses, and this is by the crayon case. But my favorite, this is like a lip plumping gloss by e.l.f. and I think this is the shade Pink Cosmo.
That's amazing.
Thank you, my darling. No. Okay, I'm coming to play with you in a second, okay?
Okay, I'll do this.
You gotta be quiet though.
Okay, we do, okay? Okay, Mommy, good.
Okay. Alright, y'all, so to set my face, I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is a matte one. This is my absolute favorite, y'all. Okay, so this is the look. I feel like it came out really cute. It's just a real simple, cute, little soft glam that I do in a lot of my videos, or a lot of my recent videos. I've been doing this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Black, yo, magic. That black, yo, magic.